Hi everyone, welcome to Pick a Card. This is Spirit Animal Oracle. And as always with Pick a Card, all I need you to do is sit back, relax, hit that subscribe button, take a nice deep breath, and figure out which of the cards you resonate with. Huge thank you to all of my viewers and those that have subscribed. It means a lot to me, so thank you so much. Here is card number 1. Here is little tiny card number 2 and card number 3. All right, so I feel like for me, today's message is going to be card number 3, but let's take a look at card number 1. You have starfish spirit, open to infinite possibilities. All the different possibilities that you have just right there at your fingertips. Card number 2, chameleon spirit, act as if. Absolutely. When you're trying new things and you're wanting to go in a specific direction, just feel what it feels like. Feel yourself, see yourself in those moments, in that environment. And card number 3 is bobcat spirit. Life is a mystery. All right, as always, I love doing Pick a Card for you guys. So take care, and until the next video, have a great rest of your day.